Hi guys, Judy Fine here from Online with Judy Fine. Happy New Year. I thought I'd kick off the new year by sharing with you guys a sample tutorial video from my video archive that is normally only available to Singer Athlete Online members. It's a warm-up for opening up your vowels, which is really important. It might be more important than you realize right now. If you want access to more such tutorial videos, you can have access to the archive by becoming a Singer Athlete 6-month or 12-month member. It also gives you access to all my vocal exercises, as well as a singer starter course, an online singing course to get you going. You can find out more about all this by going to the vocal coaching page of my website, onlinewithjudyfine.com. Meanwhile, though, check out this warm-up. It will make a difference if you take the advice to heart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hi guys, Judy Fine here. I have a short warm-up video for you to help you open up your vowels. Why do you want to open up your vowels? With nice open vowel sounds, help your throat stay relaxed, help you hold notes longer, can give you a richer sound, can give you more sound, and can give you more agility when you're moving around on many notes with one vowel sound. So you want to have nice open vowel sounds. So here we go. First warm-up, we're going to do E slides. But we're going to do them with your mouth in ah position. So you're going to open your mouth as if you're going to sing an ah, and you're going to do E slides with me, like this. E, ah position. E, E, my jaw's not moving. E, and I'm sliding. E, E, keep going without me. Slide up and slide down. Make sure you don't slide too quickly. Slide. Ah position and then slide. Keep going. Opposition, slide. Keep going. Nice strong body, relaxed shoulders. Opposition. Opposition, slide, slide. We're gonna go up one more time. E, E, E. Keep going. Slide. Make sure you don't slide too quickly once I'm not singing with you anymore. Opposition, slide. Good. I'm assuming. Slide. Opposition. E, E. Last one. Good. So next warm-up, we're also going to keep a nice open position in our throat through all of this. We're going to sing through the consonants on one note. A, E, I, O, U. So not exactly A, E, I, O, U, but E, E, I, O, U. Notice I'm barely, a little bit on U, my lips come in, but for the most part I'm barely moving, not moving my jaw at all, and I'm barely moving my lips. Like this. A, I, O. A, I, O. A, I, O. A,
that throat open. Nice open cavern inside your mouth. Keep going. Gotta have a strong body for this. Relax shoulders. Keep going, keep that air flowing. Good. If you feel like you were just starting to get that, keeping all that open and starting to pronounce your vowels a little better. The ooh is never great. Don't worry about that too much. But if you just felt like you were getting the knack of it, rewind this video and do that part again. Don't stop now, it's too soon. So one other thing we're gonna do, and this has been done in other videos of mine, so you may be familiar with it, it's the phrase, we love you, but I want you to be thinking opposition inside your mouth. So you're gonna say we, love, and you, and the whole time you're gonna have opposition open in your mouth. We love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. Try one without me. So opposition inside your mouth. Nice strong ribs. Relax shoulders. Air keeps flowing forward. We love you. We love you. And like all my exercises, we're not trying to sound pretty here. Don't worry about vibrato. We just want a nice solid, open vowel sound, good airflow. We love you. We love you. Minimal jaw movements. We love you. Good. So that's it for the warm-up for opening up your vowels. I wouldn't necessarily consider this a full warm-up. You should do more exercises, more vocal exercises, maybe more of warm-up exercises too, but don't consider this your entire day's workout, okay? It's not really enough for that. It's just a way to get your vowels open. And when you're singing words and songs, think about the way you opened up your vowels here and try to add some of that to what you're singing. All right, I'll see you next time.